Hello friends, welcome to engineering tutorial. So we'll resume our discussion on basic mathematics. So we were discussing the various methods of solving linear equations in two variables, and so far we have discussed substitution method and elimination method. So here in today's video we are going to discuss another important method, which is basically a variation of substitution and elimination. We can derive it from that, but it is a useful trick, a useful method to solve linear equations in two variables. So it is the cross multiplication method. So today's topic is solving linear equations in two variables through cross multiplication method. Okay, so this is today's topic. So let us say we have pair of linear equations in two variables which are represented as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. This is one equation, and another equation is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2, like we normally have a pair of linear equations in two variables. So here the condition is that a1 by a2 should not be equal to b1 by b2. That is, the solution should be unique. Okay, the solution should be unique, a unique solution, single solution. So in this case, the solution of the given equation is written as x by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 is equal to y by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 is equal to 1 by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. This is the solution of the above pair of linear equations in two variables. So here a1 is the coefficient of x, b1 is the coefficient of y, and c1 is the constant, which are real numbers in the first equation, and a2, b2 and c2 are the same, that is coefficient of x, coefficient of y, and the constant for the second equation, and this is the important condition. So this is the format. Now an easy way to remember this is through this. To remember this equation is through this. Write it as, let's say, b1 b2, okay, then c1 c2, then a1 A2, then B1, B2. Okay. This is for X, this is for Y, and this is 1. And we cross multiply. Okay, then again this is B1C2 minus B2C1, X by B1C2 minus B2C1, then Y by first C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 by A1B2 minus A2B1, this. Okay, X by B1C2 minus B2C1, the downward arrow gets, that product comes first, minus then the upward going arrow. B1C2 minus B2C1, Y by C1A2 minus C2A1, then is equal to 1 by A1B2 minus A2B1. This is the way you can remember it. So you can remember it as B C A B format, BCAB format with X, Y and 1 on the top. Another way to remember the same thing is, if you have difficulty remembering this, then another way is by this. Okay, in that case what we have to do, you have to first write A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, then again A1, A2. Okay. Here first is 1, then X, then Y. Then again cross multiplication. So in this case it will be 1 by A1B2 minus A2B1 is equal to X by B1C2 minus B2C1 is equal to Y by C1A2 minus C2A1. So in whichever order you write, it does not matter. The format should be this: 1 by A1B2 minus A2B1, X by B1C2 minus B2C1, Y by C1A2 minus C2A1. Okay, so you can also write it in this format with the order A, B, C, A with 1 X and Y in the numerator. Okay, ABCA format or BCBA, BCB, okay, that format. BCAB format, sorry, BCAB, this is ABCA, that is BCAB, yes. So whichever way you are comfortable, you can proceed in that manner, but this is the general format of the solution. Okay, this X by B1C2 minus B2C1 is equal to Y by C1A2 minus C2A1 is equal to 1 by A1B2 minus A2, this.